In this video, I'm going to be looking at power protection, and here I have three different types of power protection which can be used with your computer or laptop. All right, first I have the most basic of the three, which is a surge protector. Many persons tend to use just a surge protector. They will connect their computer or laptop to the surge protector, and the other end, of course, will be plugged into the wall outlet. This is never my recommendation as the sole line of defense against electrical problems, right? What I generally recommend to persons for their computers and laptops is to purchase a UPS. Now, UPS means uninterruptible power supply. What the UPS does, it does multiple things. So it offers you, yes, surge protection, as well as it gives you battery backup. So there are, depending on the type of UPS you have, like this, for instance, this UPS has one battery. This is a 350 VA UPS. This one is a 1000 VA UPS, and this one has two, I believe it is two or perhaps three, I don't quite remember, 2 or 3 batteries in it. This is a 1000 VA UPS, which means that with this UPS, if I have, for instance, one computer plugged into it, I will have that much more uptime in a blackout than would be offered by this 350 VA UPS. So what it typically does is that in the event of a blackout, it keeps the computer or the laptop up for a specific amount of time, and it gives you time, of course, to shut down the computer or the laptop safely. All right, so when your device is plugged into a UPS, in the event of a blackout, your equipment will not shut down immediately. Let us say a computer system, because a laptop typically has a battery in it. I'm presuming that all things being equal and the battery is in good condition. But with a computer system, if you have your computer system plugged into a UPS, in the event of a blackout, and again, presuming that all things being equal, the batteries are good, the computer will not shut down immediately, but you will have a few minutes, and I'm not really able to tell you because it is dependent upon the amount of load that you have on the UPS. That will determine, and the state of the batteries also. Those will determine the uptime you'll have in the event of a blackout. All right, so these are pretty good to have. Next, I have here 2 voltage regulators, and this one is a 1000 VA, and this one is a 300 VA. Now, what these do is that they stabilize the current. What I typically do at home or in the office is that I will plug the voltage regulator into the wall outlet and then connect the UPS to the voltage regulator, and that gives me that added line of defense against any bad current which may be coming through the wall outlet. Okay, so these are essentially good redundancy systems. In IT, we refer to them as redundancies, fault tolerant systems, right? And what they're designed to do is to protect your equipment. Bear in mind too that oftentimes it is not just the equipment which is at risk, but consider things like downtime. So for instance, your equipment may be damaged, you're not able to do any work. You may depend on your computer or your laptop for business. Consider how much money you're making per day, and for each day that your computer is down, how much money are you losing, right? So you have to look at it in terms of that. All right, so it is good to invest in these equipment. As I mentioned before, typically a UPS will cost anywhere between 10 to 15% thereabout of the cost of your computer or your laptop. All right, so it is a good investment to have. All right, so that's it. Until next time, take care.